Hello there, Daniel coming at you with another hair cutting tutorial. Now recently I did a fade on my hair, and with the fade I went a little bit lower than I usually do to try something new out. Here's what I'm talking about. Voila. Initially I had questioned whether or not it was too low. Now after a few days it definitely is too low, so I'm going to bring it up a little more. Now I do still want that relatively hardcore disconnect, but not nearly as aggressive as it is right now. The tools today that we're going to be using are a set of clippers with a one attachment, a headband, and then I'm also going to be using my Beard Struggle scissors to clean up around the ears, because I noticed that I had missed a few hairs along the way from last time. Here we go. Here's my headband, and I'm going to place it exactly where I want to trace around with the clippers so we have a nice even line. The headband has been placed. This is what it's going to look like. And I'm simply going to trace around with the clippers, and while I'm tracing with the clippers, I'm going to hold the band down with my free hand and trace around so that the band doesn't get pushed up. Here we are, clippers, and the one attachment, which is 1/8 of an inch or 3 millimeters. And again, pressing down with my free hand and tracing up to the line. There really isn't going to be that much of a difference up front. The big difference is going to be in the back. Now we're going to go ahead, turn around, and fix up the back. This is where the majority of the difference is going to take place. Awesome. I think everything is leveled out, so we'll go ahead, take the band off, brush off all the hair. All right, and we'll see if this is any better than before. Now I'm just going to go ahead and clean up my sideburns, and we are golden. Let's see here. And again, as far as with the sideburns, I'm using the one. And then after I go through with the one, I'm going to grab the scissors and get the hairs around the ear. And maybe even clean this up a little bit too. Good. Good. Yeah. What do you guys think? I definitely think it's an improvement from what it was. I dig it. I dig it. And grab a brush. This is a Beard Struggle brush. Dust yourself off. Get everything out of your beard as well. With this brush, my beard isn't long right now. I'm starting over. But always train your beard from the beginning. That way when it does get longer, it's not going to be crazy. So what I do every morning, in the afternoon, and at night when I'm bored, I just go through, brush my beard hairs down. That way they're nice and flat and neatly placed against my face. And then with the mustache, I brush it to the side to go ahead and get it trimmed to grow to the side and not over my lip. And we're doing it a little different. Usually I go for a really subtle smell, but this Viking Honor, they've got some new labeling. It's pretty cool, pretty nice. I don't know if you can see this or not, but Viking Honor is the name of it, and it has a nice subtle like mint scent to it. Give it a go. It's I like it. It's pretty darn good. So again, it's Viking Honor Beard Balm. And I'm going to use it to style my hair and my beard. Probably a dime size amount in your palm. Just work it in. And with this hairstyle, there isn't really a whole lot to do to it. I just push them in the top, brush it to the side. And then with the excess, I just put it in my beard, work it in, and I grab the brush and comb it down. This will help ensure that your beard stays nice and neat throughout the day. In addition to keeping it moisturized, here's the full 360 again. Again, if you do cut your own hair and you are wondering how to get a nice even line when you do the fade, try the headband out. It definitely helps me out. Hopefully it'll help you out. Speaking of which, if you found this video useful or at the least intriguing, give it a thumbs up and maybe even subscribe. I'm going to have a lot more of these vlogs / tutorials in the future as I let my beard grow back out. I'm also going to be documenting and vlogging the steps that I take in regards to beard care and maintenance along the way, in addition to haircuts and travel vlogs. Speaking of which, we're going to Bali in less than a week, so super stoked about that. And there will be plenty of videos to come in regards to travel, Bali, and hiking and camping, a bunch of other stuff. So hopefully you won't be bored. Nonetheless, enjoy the summer. Peace.